we are industrial grade American made. And every one of the products that Kennedy manufactures is manufactured right here in Van Wert, Ohio. Every product that runs through the plant is touched by every person in here. The one thing that we always take pride in is that our quality is top notch. You know, every unit that goes out of here is checked and double checked.
When we turret out parts or we laser out parts, all those items are being checked in real time, meaning as they make a part, they'll do a first piece inspection, make sure it's to print, and then they'll continue their run.
The company is 108 years old. We build a product that lasts a long time. My office is right across from where folks come in to the plant, and I have heard people talk about toolboxes that are 40 years old looking to see if they could buy a spare part.
At our core, we're probably a sheet metal manufacturer because that's primarily what our product is made out of. It immediately comes into our fabrication department. A lot of it's received in coils. So the first thing we do is we unwind those coils and we push those coils through a tool that stamps out a very specific part. That part may need some additional notching or piercing, so maybe it needs some holes placed in it, maybe it needs a corner knocked off. Then we'll go to a brake press where it would be formed. From there, generally it will go to a welder, and we're talking when an item gets formed, it could be a cabinet body, it could be a cabinet drawer, it could be a lid, any of those types of items. But once they're formed, they'll move to a welder. You know, you'd have the body of the lid, and then each of the ends would need to be welded onto it. Or a roller cabinet body, you would have the body of the roller cabinet, and you have to weld the top pan and the bottom pan to it. But in the welding department, we're certainly taking all those fabricated components, putting them together, stitching them together with welds. Once it goes to the paint shop, we have a 5-stage washer that not only washes, we're getting our product pre-coated with some chemicals so that it will receive the paint better and it'll hold the paint on better. Some rust prohibitors go on, and then after it leaves that 5-stage washer, it goes into a drying oven. The moisture is dried off of it. It then goes in to the powder coat room, receives a nice even coat of powder. It goes up into a curing oven, the powder is cooked on or baked on, and then it goes to the assembly cell. First thing it's going to receive is a lock to make the lock system operate. Then the slides, we're going to put pulls on the fronts of the drawers. We're going to insert the drawers into the cabinet with the slides. We're going to package the casters into a nice cardboard container with an end handle. We're going to put those in the drawer. The end user assembles those things on site once they purchase the cabinet. But those things are put in a drawer. Everything is packaged into a cardboard box, and it comes down here into our warehouse where it's set and ready for somebody to order it.
Since I've been here, I've come to believe that the employees here are seriously invested in Kennedy. When you have people that have 45, 46 years seniority, you know that they take pride in their work and they take pride in what they're doing every day. I think that more than anything is what has made the Kennedy tool storage proposition what it is.
We are a supplier to Motion, but conversely, we ourselves are a manufacturer. And so we do, in our maintenance department, use Motion to source products that we need, bearings, supplies, things of that nature for the equipment that we have to maintain here within our own building. The folks down in our maintenance department have the ability to find the parts and the supplies that they need to keep our equipment functional, maintained, and running.